Hi. I don't really know exactly what this video is going to be about. I'm just going to tell you what I see, okay? It could be 5 minutes, it could be 20. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is that there's crosshairs. This green one going up and down is the north and south. It's the meridian. And the red line is the ecliptic, and it goes east to west. And this is where all the action happens. This is where all the planet traffic goes. This is like the super highway in the sky. And I want you to notice that, let's try to bring it in, that it's centered. It's bullseye, centered on the sun, which is centered on the crown on this day. And on this day, Mercury's like, right, he's like looking at what he's aiming at, right? That's what I get anyway. Okay, what else do I see? Oh, let's go into Sagittarius a little closer. Please. Okay. It's being really slow today. Okay, I wanted to show you this planet. Caus Media. You probably can't see it, it's too bright or something. But trust me. Here. No, just, okay, and straight down from Media, the next star that the meridian hits is the southern bow. And then if you go down, it bypasses the telescope and the altar. And here's a peacock. And NBC's symbol is the peacock, right? Okay, what else? That's a navigating tool. What else? There's a, did I say the altar? Okay, go up. So this happens every year on this day. Okay, that's this year. Let's go back last year. Ooh, busy year. It's getting closer. Come on, let me get closer. Ooh. Jupiter and the sun. Okay. I wonder if that eclipsed it. You go back, right? Yeah. No, forward. Oh, did you see that date? I want you to see that date. Okay, you saw it. Every day at Christmas, December 20, every year on December 23rd. Hold on. So, I really wanted to show you that every year on that day, the crosshairs are in the middle of the sun, which is at the crown, in the middle of the crown. So that's an important day, and the meridian is still lined up with the peacock. And the altar. Oh, I was going to show you something else. On down, where is it? Okay, there's potter and the clay. Oh, potter. Look over here. Here's the sculptor. And down here it's the furnace. Okay. It is. Oh, Gaia. Fornax. It's called Fornax, but that is the furnace. And that's a carving tool or an engraving tool. And there's that clock. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you. And let's go back to current time. Right here. Okay, that's where we are now. Oh, something really special is going to happen, or big is going to happen, because all these planets come January 12th, 13th, 14th are all going to be right here. Ready? Ooh. I'm just going to go from the day, from this time. There was the eclipse on the 14th. I'm just going to go fast. We're at the 17th, 18th. Wait, back up. 21st, that's a big day. That's the solstice. Okay. Christmas. There's that day. Okay. Look at Mercury. Jupiter and Saturn and Mercury. And pretty soon the moon's going to be up there with them. That's the day. 1/11. Let's go up here closer. I think that's a special day. Because the moon and Venus are both like at the crown. At the top of the crown. I'm sorry, I didn't point out that I think this is a crown. Look at the diadems. It's also known as the teapot, which stem pours out into the Milky Way, which is here. I turned the Milky Way off because it distracts. So, okay, make it smaller. Now let's concentrate on that a little bit more. Don't you guys think that's kind of cool? All these planets so close together. And that was like one of my dreams too. Oh, I wasn't supposed to go by the hour. Silly. I wonder if there's another eclipse here. Nah, just goes kind of close. But look at that, you guys. Okay. 13th, 14th, 15th. Okay, now they're starting to spread out. Okay, one more thing I find interesting, and I just found this just now, is that at this time on January 12th at 11:13, this time, I guess, the crosshairs are in the middle of Venus, which is at the top middle diadem of that crown. And the moon is there. Let's see how dark the moon is. What's the moon phase? 0%. And the moon. Okay. I guess I'll leave it here. Leave your comments down below. Love you guys. Bye-bye.